Today we're going to have some fun in Adobe Photoshop and create a pencil sketch effect that quickly converts a photograph into a realistic drawing. The effect works best with studio type photographs with nice clean backgrounds with good lighting and focus. Images with minimal texture also generate the best results. This is the image from Shutterstock that I'll be using as part of this tutorial. So begin by opening up your chosen image in Photoshop. Make a copy of the background by right clicking and selecting Duplicate Layer. This will keep the original background layer unedited. Go to Image Adjustments and Invert to flip the image into quite a scary looking negative version. Right click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Then head to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur and enter 40 pixels as a good starting point. Now because we made the layer a smart object, we can fine tune this figure later. Change the blending mode drop down menu to Color Dodge to see this first step of the effect in action. It already has some nice pencil crayon like sketch lines as if it has been coloured in by hand. Add a levels adjustment layer and move the midtones and shadow sliders slightly towards the right to boost the contrast. Next add a black and white adjustment layer which gives the effect more of a traditional graphite pencil appearance. Head to Select and All followed by Edit and Copy Merged. Head to Edit and Paste to make a snapshot of the effect so far at the top of the layer stack. Go to Filter and select Filter Gallery, then navigate to Stylize and Glowing Edges. Configure the sliders to minimum edge width, then maximum edge brightness and smoothness. After you're OK in the effect, go to Image Adjustments and Invert, then change the blending mode to Multiply to render the white background transparent. Reduce the opacity to around 60% to produce some subtle outlining sketch lines to add more authenticity to the effect, making it look like it's been drawn by hand. Add a new layer, then use the Command or Control on Windows, then Backspace key to fill the layer with white. Go to Filter and Filter Gallery again, making sure not to select the top option because that will just repeat the glowing edges effect. This time navigate to the Texturizer and select Sandstone from the drop down menu. We are creating a paper-like texture and despite there being a canvas option, I actually think that the Sandstone option looks more realistic. Change this layer's blending mode to Multiply and reduce the opacity to around 70% to finish off the sketch effect. It's up to you whether you stick with the traditional pencil look or toggle off the visibility of the black and white adjustment layer to leave a coloured pencil crayon type effect. Each one has realistic looking sketch lines and shading along with a subtle paper texture which makes the effect much more believable. Head back and alter the amount of Gaussian blur applied to the smart object to test out different results. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on YouTube to stick around for more, or join my mailing list over at spoon.graphics if you want to receive all my tutorials, free design resources and articles. Big thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. It's the best solution to easily build and manage a really fantastic looking website. You can see how great their templates look and find out more about all the features at squarespace.com. Don't forget to use the code SPOONER to get 10% off your order. So as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.